very warm welcome. We are the second year students of MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. We are the members of School of Computer Engineering and Technology. As part of our rapid prototyping, our batch will be erecting a bamboo hut wherein each group was assigned a specific component of the hut. The components of the hut included truss, ladder, the mainframe, benches and other components. Me and my team members built one of the four main frames of the hut. My teammates are Veeraj Goudar, Pratham Patil and Rutuja Mahajan.
Hello, my name is Rutuja Mahajan. I am from second year of Computer Department of MIT Academy of Engineering.
Hello, my name is Pratham Patil. I am from second year Computer Department of MIT Academy of Engineering.
Hello, myself Veeraj Goudar. Today I will be telling you what is rapid prototyping and why do we do it and what is its advantages. So, prototyping is a process of building a model or a draft version of an actual idea. It is a method of product designing. It is also a preliminary stage. Changes and product fixes occur before the building a final product. So, why it is an essential part of the product development process, you ask? Because new products generally undergo several prototyping process before they are actually released for production. It is necessary to build a quality prototypes because it represents an accurate or a small scale version of what you are actually trying to build. So it will represent all the features, the functionality and the performance of the final product, and the changes which we need to make in the final product can be done in the prototype model. So by civil prototyping, it gave us the opportunity to learn the techniques such as pitch joint, which we use in the mainframe and the ladder and the truss, and also fixing cleats and slicing the components of bamboo and machinery available in the civil workshop.
In India, bamboos are found to be grown naturally in almost all the parts except Kashmir. So more than 120 species of bamboos are found in India. Bamboos are mostly found in northeastern and eastern India. So bamboos are basically an evergreen grass. They are typically fast growing where some species grow like 30 cm per year. Now I would like to answer the question, why have we used our bamboo for our shed construction? So first reason is that bamboo is biodegradable and eco-friendly. The next is that it can act as a very good replacement for wood. Since we know bamboo's growth is much faster than other wood sources, so hence it is a good choice over using wood. Then bamboo is said as a green steel because of its great strength and its durability. It is said that compressive strength of bamboo is twice higher than concrete, and its tensile strength is approximately equal to the steel. So in our project, we are using bambusa bamboo. It has great strength and it is even used in making of bridges and ladders. So as we know, wood is the strongest part of the bamboo. So hence our main frame, which is this, is mostly based on its applications. Let us look on some advantages of bamboo now. So it has high tensile strength, it has capability to resist fire and can bear temperature up to 4000 degrees Celsius, which is a very high temperature. So it has many elastic properties also, and bamboos are cost effective. They are easy to use and they also have a low weight, hence it can be used in construction easily. It also has disadvantages like it shrinks much greater than any other type of timber. So it requires some preservation and it should be treated against fungal and insect attack.
Before selecting a perfect bamboo, we have to actually conduct several pre-testing process to see what is the strength of the bamboo, what is its capacity that it can hold. So one of the tests was compression strength. So being a natural product, the compressive strength and other mechanical properties of bamboo varies upon the location, age and type of species. The compressive strength of the bamboo is roughly situated between 40 and 80 Newton millimeter square, which is twice or 4 times most of the timber species. The difference in the results can be explained by the different test methods and samples that were used. However, age and moisture content of bamboo samples have a significant influence on the compressive strength of the bamboo. Bamboo with low moisture content has higher compressive strength, whereas the bamboo with high moisture content has lower strength. The test which we performed on the bamboo was bamboo joint test. We know that bamboo is famous for its tensile strength, compressive, bending, stiffness, elasticity, hardness and durability. to resist different forces or loads on the structural members, which either be horizontal or vertical. The strength properties of bamboo are higher than most of the softwoods and the hardwoods. So we refer to various information and resources present on the internet to collect how the joint of bamboo suffers, and we came to know about the process of investigation which take place. So the test is occurring. So overall we will contain about the bamboo joint strength test, and we added all the properties and function how it is tested. So therefore we look and refer to all the investigation about bamboo joints.
The third and the foremost important pretest which we did on the bamboo was the shear strength test. The maximum shear stress for bamboo is an important factor to design appropriate joinery systems and connections. Shear stress can occur in two ways: parallel to the grain and perpendicular to the grain. Again, ISO 22157 standards only provide guidelines for measuring shear stress parallel to the grain. 3 samples from the lower, middle and the upper part of the bamboo stem are tested. The difference this time is that half of the test samples should have a node and the other half should not have a node. Each sample is carefully measured before testing. The height of the test piece and the thickness of the culm are measured at the 4 zones where shear will occur. This is important because a bamboo culm isn't uniform in thickness, and the sample cross cuts may not be perfectly executed.
For mainframe, we are going to use fish mouth joint. So for that, we require bamboo for like material. Then we require the chisel, also require saw and drilling machines, and also the machine for making the round shape of the bamboo. Firstly, we are going to measure the bamboos, and we require the total 3 bamboos. First is the horizontal, second for the vertical, and one is a key for it. We also require the key greater than the vertical, so we just inserted the whole key to the horizontal and vertical bamboo. It says, firstly, we are going to measure like all these things, and after cut it by using the saw. For making the fish mouth joint, we require the 3 bamboos. First for the horizontal member, second for the vertical member, and third for the key. The key is actually used to connect the horizontal member and the vertical member. Also, key should be greater than the length of the vertical member. So the horizontal and vertical both should be fit into it. Firstly, we will cut the required measurements by using of the bamboo by using the saw. Then we have to select also the vertical bamboo by which the key also get inserted and also fit to it. Fish mouth we are like made for the made with the bamboo. For that, this shape like the fish mouth shape we are going to use by the cutter. For that, firstly we just insert the bamboo into the machine, and then half part of it will be cut. Then we are going to remove that by using the chisel and hammer, so it will also not get stuck into the machine. And after completing the half of the part, we are going to completely cut the bamboo into the total fish mouth shape. Then we have to cut the horizontal member. For the key to insert it, we have to create the hole by using the drill, the perfectly and some bit more diameter from the key. If the key is not completely fitted into the horizontal member, then we can like just reduce the diameter for just the horizontal member by using chisel and hammer. After completing all the 3 members, that's the key, horizontal member and vertical member, we are going for the joining of all the 3 members. For that, we have to just place the all materials in all the structure. Here it is the key, inserted into the horizontal member, connected to the vertical member, and just drill the 3 holes from one from the both vertical and horizontal, and 2 from only the vertical members. Also with the drilling we have to create the 3 locking keys. For one fish mouth we require the 3 locking keys, and after creating that we have to just insert the keys into one horizontal member and 2 vertical member by just hammers. So hence by this we will complete it to our fish mouth joint.
The entire product of our bamboo mainframe consists of 2 vertical bamboos of 8 feet, 3 horizontal bamboos of 7 feet. We had to total make 6 fish joints, and the materials and equipments which we used were chisel, hammer, tape, hacksaw, drill machine, cutter and fish mouth carving machine. At first, we took the bamboos of equal length each and used them as the vertical bamboos as a support for our mainframe, which was this and this. After that, we selected 3 horizontal bamboos of 7 feet each, and we drilled the hole in the bamboos, and with the help of keys, we attached it to the 2 vertical bamboos for the support.
While making the prototype of the mainframe, we learned a number of techniques and methods used in the construction with bamboos with the help of machinery available in the workshop. While designing any prototype, we face various problems. We make numerous mistakes, but we have got to learn through our mistakes and rectify them. While making our prototype of the mainframe, we too faced certain problems, and some of these were as follows. Number 1. Wrong measurements. One of the most common problems faced while making our product was collecting elements of proper measurements. Once you go wrong with the measurements of one element, the entire product goes wrong. Realizing this before time is quite necessary, so you need to check upon each element of your product by temporarily assembling them from time to time, because you can change the elements in the initial stage of the development, not when you are almost done with the development. The second problem faced by us was the weak fish mouth joint. Fish mouth is a traditional joinery technique used to evenly distribute loads across the full section of the bamboo culp. Initially, we went wrong in making perfect fish mouth as we did it without making any markings. The third problem is overdoing a specific task. Overdoing any task on any element in the process of product development can lead to entirely changing the whole element. Sometimes we overdrill the holes on the bamboo, due to which the keys don't fit into the holes, which can lead to changing the entire bamboo, which would increase the time.
We would like to express our special thanks and gratitude to entire civil prototype faculty who gave us the golden opportunity to learn this concept of rapid prototyping and how to use a eco-friendly bamboo.
We also wish to express our profound thanks to our project guide, Mr. Bhaskar Abidkar sir, for his meticulous planning, the valuable time that he spent with us discussing the project.
Thank you.